Welcome to Driven by me, and this is an tonight. Let me plug my earbud back. I wanted to do another character episode, but I need to while go back to the roof and the PCG because I want to open the character from MetaHuman into Maya. And Maya, you can have 1 month free trial. So I just managed to install it on another computer because I tried to install it on mine and something was not well set up in JavaScript and it broke the installation. Tried many times to uninstall and reinstall and it never worked. So I did install it on a little laptop and it worked. The free license, the trial is working. I can open the file, but to open the file, I need a plugin. It's installing right now, so I won't do character tonight, and it might be a good thing because I was doing character. So let's test the chat first. So I will need to go over that in the next episode, the next character episode, because there are things. Oh yeah, forgot my. Need to plug my Bluetooth because it's syncing with my phone, so I need to turn it off. Bluetooth off. The first time I've tried my PC Bluetooth, it never worked. So that's why I used IP network relay. But now I've tried again, and it seems to work if I disable it correctly on connect. Need a relay, a network relay from my phone to my computer anymore. So now does it work? Test. So my voice is a bit raunchy because I walk a lot. I walked a lot today, and when I do a lot of exercise or I don't sleep well, my voice is getting raunchy. So yeah, I will go over the Maya stuff in the character episode. Oh, the simp. Simp. Damn it. People simp. Sammy. Sammy Boo is back. He felt something in the air. Felt something in the air. Okay, let's start this. So what's up, Mr. Blader? Came here to get distracted. Yeah. So the roof. Let's open the roof. What's up with your project, Mr. Blader? See, if I actually opened that, I'm sure I could get like 40% of version 8 done, but that's a lot of work. 40%? You can do it. It's just 40%. Now TTS, after all, I can't imagine any of the other things are as annoying as the ability part. Why is it annoying? Why is the ability part annoying? What's wrong with it? Had to redo 95% of it. Damn, that's a lot. Why? But why? We have a but why emoji. Let's search for the but why. But still. Because past me. Oh damn, I cannot read. Disappeared. Need to go in my chat in Twitch. Where is Twitchy? Okay. Why do we only see the top of my head in Twitch? Twitchy boo. Okay. So you said I had to redo 95% because past me insisted on not making it right reasonable to change it over. It's definitely better now, but still, all a new ability needs is to fill out the resource and make a function with the behavior, and it will work out of the box. Okay. But you find it annoying? Okay. Let's search for okay. Oh, okay. 70. Oh, that's yeah. That sometimes when nothing's when everything seems to be like in a mud, and you're just like sliding and not going forward. We need some but why emotes. That's a bit. The TTS is can't stop giving up on me. Why? I want a but why, not just a why. Oh, this is a message. TTS when I show up, hey, am I out there? Head out now. Yes, TTS. Right when you show up, it's like, nope, I'm not working for this guy. Come on, TTS. You can't do it. Yes. But why? That's too scared for, but why? I want oh, this one. I already have this one. The good one. Sad cat. I don't want a sad, but why? I want what is his name? It is the actor Van Wilder. Fine, Van Wilder. This guy, Ryan Reynolds. I think it's in this one, but why? I think it's. I I guess it won't be accessible because it's. But why? Where is it? But why? This is not Ryan Reynolds. This is not Ryan. It's Ryan Gosling. Yep. There is no but why. Let's spam it. But, oh, it does not show up because I would need to close it and open it back again. Damn it! Do I have a deceived ChatGPT? A deceived iRobot, but it's a deceived ChatGPT, like judgmental ChatGPT. Or passive aggressive ChatGPT. ChatGPT. No. Chatty boo. Oh, I like the cat licking lava. Getting Earth. Getting Minecraft hits. Okay. I didn't open the project. Wow. What? Why wow? Don't like my lava cat? Yes, but I also like this one. What do you think about that? Is it does it make it more justifiable? Don't make me splat my drink. Split my drink on my screen. Okay. My project. Let's hope. We need some music. Let's pick some new music to add to our list. Fantasy. No. No, it's not the same, but sometimes the name of the name overlays between different list of emote. I've noticed. Let's see. I like the milk one. Did an overlay. It didn't pick the right one. What? Megascan plugin. Oh, okay. Okay, it's not about the same thing. There's a milk, I think. You see, this one gives a different, because the name is the same name as in 7TV, so it takes over the BTTV, I think. Yeah. Yes, I lose some. I can go and rename them. It's would be too long. Find it. 7TV. You're laughing at me like the cat. Where is the laughing cat? I want my laughing cat. 7TV. It's too much. Too many. Too many. Where is the? Where is he? I want the one pointing at the screen and laughing. Where is? Damn it. Oh, I think this noise thumbs giving a thumb up. Thumb up. There's the punching one. Maybe I don't have any pointing cat and laughing. This is global. Oh, I like the little chicken nugget. So yeah, I don't find it. Make the angry cat. Okay. Now it's crashing up. Paste. Oh, it's not wanting to work. Damn. Oh, I don't like it when it does errors like that. I think today it will be a relax. We'll do just things for fun. It's the end of the week. Oh, you sent me something in Discord. Just seen it on my phone. Oh, it finished installed the thing, so I might need to check my compute, my portable, my laptop. Let's launch it there. So the issue when I open, it says that Megascan plugin was designed for 5. So what I need to do is go in Epic Launcher. And then in the library and Megascan. So Megascan is not there. And it's not even installed there. I think it's because I updated the version, maybe. But it should be Let's search on there. Let's go check the message. It's not yet there. Megascan. Megascan plugin. Quicksell plugin. Quicksell plugin for Unreal Engine. There is those two, but I guess that would be this one. Oh yeah, no. This is just so it cannot be out of date. Impossible. It's impossible. Yeah, my internet now is, I don't know why. Oh, since a few days ago. Launch failed. What is that? Because it's able to launch. This is common when you don't have the necessary permission to install file on your computer. Requires a restart. Let's restart. Okay, next. Pixel, why are you not running? Why are you running? Another ChatGPT, deceived ChatGPT. Oh, it's not that. Yeah. We don't see anything. It's the robot with a face expression. The Quicksell bridge should be the right version. Even though it says Megascan, it's not Megascan, it's Quicksell bridge. Let's open it from here. What is this? What is this? Oh, the doggy is yapping. You don't hear it. Why? There are no Megascan plugin. Quicksell. Quicksell bridge. Yeah, look, let's look at what Mr. Assembly. Oh, he did this. You only need a rank 4 fast deflection and a rank 0 arcane cages for the Gauss build guy. Damn. It's it requires a little dance. Okay. Okay. So quick. Make a scan link for Quicksell Bridge. Game version. I don't know what to say. I want to use Megascan sometimes. Let's try it. Because I have a couple of things in Megascan for free. I have a couple of things and They are those four. They are free. Everyone can take it. They gave this. And but the thing is that now, if you want to bring stuff from Megascan, it's in Pixel Bridge. It's not make it. I don't like having issues like that. It's more warning than issue. Like it won't. I can continue without this being an issue. The stopper. I can try maybe a mesh. 3D assets, nature. All of this is free. You can use them in your game. Which it is just not optimized in. It's optimized as a mesh, but you have it's not in your texture pipeline. This let's bring this one just for a test. Not available in US. Are you kidding? Why? Why is it there? Oh, because it's a nanite, like an OBG. No, but not even that. Well, that's broken. Yeah, that's not supposed to do that. Yeah, I will need to solve this another day. So one thing to do before that is to check out, because now I have character stuff in my modification, my files, modified files. So I want to commit some stuff before going further. Am I stuck in Twitch? Like, okay, no. Welcome, Mechmatic. Welcome to the stream. That's giving little dance to Mr. Matic. Okay, so this is all the changes I made for the character, so I don't want to mix. Yes, Mechmatic. Welcome. Let's do a little wave. If I have a little wave. Oh, we missed some little waves. Let's do now. Let's pick some wavy emotes. Let's find some wave. How are they? I want them. more. Not good. That's weird. Or not weird enough. Not sus enough. Sammy likes it when it's sus. I added this one is sus enough. Some Pepe, semi Pepe, simile Pepe. So I cannot add it. Add it. Oh yes. Okay. I think that's enough for today. Network. Okay. So I have all those changes. I don't want to bring in my roof stuff. And it's all the character stuff. And I'm in master. I can commit everything if I want to. Adding meta human direct. So I use git changes in Visual Studio. I could do it in command, but it's so fast. And usually you don't get error from commits messages, so it's fine to do it there because it won't tell me, oh, there's an error. Yes, usually does not mean always. Usually does not mean always, but it's safe. Usually. But if something's wrong and you see this is red, then you go and do it in the. You can do it here. Git is working in the. If it's installed, it's working in there. And the push, I would likely push there, but sometimes I'm a bit a daredevil and I push there. So it's easy. It says here git push. It's easy. And that way you can see if there are errors. But if I push here, it will not tell me what is the error if there is an error. But here it will tell me more exactly what it is. And sometimes I like it when there are colors. So I shift right click and get bash here. But I need to deselect and get bash here. And then you have full colors and wow stuff. Into git status, and it's still pushing in here, so it's in the last action stuff. Now it's pushing, and we can lay back and relax. Go back to another task. On my laptop. Oh, is it push? No, not push. Put the laptop down. Yes, I forgot the music. Okay, I want some music that is not dark, fancy, hazy, ambient, dungeon synth music by There's Lower. Let's play this. Oh, it does not want to play. I think it needs a refresh. No, still does not. Oh yeah. Oh, it gives me intestinal ache. If it pushes the fart out. Don't want to. Fairy tale dreams. It's a bit the JRPGs. Is it too loud for you? Fine. Okay. It's not push yet. Let's see on my laptop. Unreal Editor. Let's open it. Hello. Hello. Epic Launcher. Yeah, that's a relaxed episode today. Uh, for a Friday night. So it seems that I need to update my graphic card. Damn it. Spino. Yes, time for relaxation. It was a long week, longer than usual. Now it's too loud on my ears. I need to update my graphic card. Yes, and to do it, it's to work too much. When you work too much, the time is longer. New project. I want my graphic cards. My laptop graphic card is, where is it? Until don't remember. Been a long time. Uh, Written on it. It's Ace. The music is over. Next one, a funny Oriental style fantasy surprised by surprising media. Oh, yeah. It's like when you play on your MIDI keyboard. Sax fantasy. Yeah, it's all the one we did last. Reino das Fadas by Composita. Okay, I can update my BIOS, but I cannot update my graphic. Let's update the BIOS. It's too basic. Surprising media again. Oh, he's playing with this ARP. Oh, like system update. Confirm. Still not yet pushed. Musical fantasy again by Surprising Media. So far, I don't like Surprising Media music. African fantasy. We were at last time Inner Dark Fantasy by Vibes Chill. 96%, almost there. This is like 90% of coding jobs is to wait after the rest of the stuff and do meetings. One of the worst part is the meetings. Sometimes one of the worst, if you talk in that perspective, then is when the build crashes. Like you have the Jenkins who is making the builds automatically, and then you can print out the last commit who crashed the build, and it's your name in red, and everyone sees it. That's one of the. It's not as worst as meetings. I remember I had some mild narcolepsy. So when we were in meeting, I couldn't stop falling asleep. And my colleague was at my side kicking my feet. So I wake up. Yeah, that was meetings with a mild narcolepsy. Want to update the graphic. Let's see what Windows Update says. Because, yeah, laptop GPU is like somewhere in there. Okay, the push is over. Everything is fine. Usually you can arrow key up in there. And you get the last command. Did. And if you go a couple of arrow key up, you can get back to your get status to see if everything is fine. This is the most important command in Git. It's git status. Check if everything is fine. Even when you did nothing. Like a probe. Okay, there's a cumulative update. That means a long time of downloading the site. Okay, let's open the project. Hmm. Yes. Oh yeah, still the mega scan. It didn't do this yesterday and the day before. Maybe should I deactivate mega scan? Let's try this then. Or not. Leave it there. I will see until I need mega scan. Food for thoughts. Poof for food. I still don't know what it means. Poof for foods. Yes, yes, mega scan error is someone else's job. It's not my job. That's how it was. And I worked for, I wouldn't say. Okay. It's not my job. It's the Remy artist's job. It's not Remy coding programmer job. Foods for thoughts. PCG, of course. PCG has seen landscape, of course. Okay. So the next thing to do is to offset every story proof story back into. Was the Inner Dark Fantasy a good music for our channel? Don't remember. Seems okay. Serenity Whisper by Albert Hole. I wonder if my music ended up working. That's because last time it wasn't playing background music. It's still not playing. What's wrong with you, OBS? Maybe it's because I'm audio track 6. Okay, how do we offset this back? I will need to give them each of them a different offset because this one will offset back. The first one needs an offset. Second one 2 times this offset, maybe. Third one 3 times this offset. So it goes with the number of the story. So it will be the index plus 1 because this one is 0. the offset multiplied by the index plus 1. That's the math. That's the algorithm. Let's try this then. Procedural is mechmatic still there. The music was short. Too short. Let's pick only like a long music. Modern fantasy 3 minutes. Nope. Don't like electronic beat. I don't like MIDI music. "10-Minute Spaceship Fantasy" by Saturn 3 Music. Sam Blader left. Sam. Why is there a viewport? Since when? There's I'm in 5.6 and there is a shader language HLSL. New stuff. Unreal. Okay, I guess that the offset should be made either outside of it. Each story let's see what's in output. Five. There's a mesh. Okay, this is the flow. This is the small, four small, tall, small, tall. Yes, okay, so that's all the roof. I could do another one, another loop. Where I would do the offset of the points. And offset them differently. So I might need, so it would be between here. This is okay, so for the people new here, building upon a tutorial by Procedural Mine. Procedural Mine. Welcome to Procedural Mine. I think it's this one. I'm not. Yes. What is he doing lately? New power-ups. Oh yes, he's creating his own game. He started doing his. I made a epic multi-phase bosses limited. And what is this? I just. What is? Okay, it's a plain school. Like 2D, HD 2D, HD 2D, HD 2D. PCG pathfinding. I will need this eventually. Okay, let's. So the tutorial I'm building upon is from guy, and it's this one and this one. Those two tutorial, it's the same. It's just for Unreal 5.4, I think, and this one 5.3. Oh yeah, 5.4. So I did all this. Yes, I finished this one. For the furniture, it's in the older one. And I will do the furniture when I will be over with the roof. So he did the roof he did in this uh, tutorial is like a building roof, which is like with a border. But my approach is inclined roof, and I want to do different type of inclined roof depending on the story roof. So if we have seen I did before, I just adapted each story, each roof. If well, it wasn't easy. It took me like I think 4 episodes until to find out how to have different roof for different story. But now I can do the offset, and it will need a new loop, and I will need to loop over those points. These are the roof, the different story. I mean, story roof, roof story, rather maybe not English. So my grammar might be sloppy. And the space music is a bit too space music for me. It's more like spaceship ambience. Let's pick sci-fi fantasy soundscape by Joel Fazari. I'm put it music that are found in Pixabay. And if you want to do the same eventually, if you have a stream, YouTube channel, Twitch, the music I would recommend you avoid the little tongue out because they have sometimes a license. It's possible that even though you don't pick the tongue out, content ID, fingerprint, you might get some copyright stuff, but it's never been like a big struggle. It was worse with those on YouTube, especially on Twitch. I have some, but I put my music on the channel, a specific channel. I don't remember the name. If I can find it, put the output streaming. I say the VOD channel. So you put your music on this channel, VOD track. You need to be logged in Twitch on OBS. This will appear. You can put all your music there. Don't. It will remove them when there are copyrights. So I even put YouTube in this. My browser are in the channel. So let's see how to put them in this channel is when you do right click there to extend this. And then you pick like I have Chrome Audio, Explorer Audio, they are all in this channel. Background music, 6th channel. It's better way, but in YouTube that will be different. It will not be filtered, and I might get the right. The thing is, with YouTube, they just turn off your video. They don't show it in a list of country that they will provide. But in Twitch, when you get too much copyright, you can get your account scrapped. Why I took the issue at end. So let's continue with our loop. There is someone watching. Did I miss someone coming in? You can say I. It means one in my language because yeah, which always counts as one. I think it's myself. I watch my own Twitch. I might be counting as one. So there is someone. You can say I. You can keep silent. Let's find a gift for you. What gift could I pick? Just to put you in the mood for talking, I would give you this. It's okay. Little dancing cat. Okay. Let's do this loop. We'll go faster. Put it, open this one. Find it in the content. And this is bothering me. And wait a minute. The screen. My screen is not broken anymore. I didn't even notice. I would have to say that to my brother. It just repaired itself. He gave me this 4K screen. He bought a new one. The 4K. I remember yesterday or something. The 4K. This 4K screen just pop lighter, like the brightness pop out, and I was, oh, this is annoying. I bring it down, and it was like my brother kept bringing this screen up, and eventually his hand squished too much the LODs, the LED, I mean, and it made like a white spot, but now it's gone. It repaired itself. That's cool. But my brother already bought a new screen, a better one, because he didn't like that it wasn't wide enough. More like a square, not square, but he prefers wide screen. I have a wide screen there, but it is small compared to the one he has. Cool, it's repaired without me noticing. Everything's working, yes. So now the loops folder, subgraph, pattern, logic. So let's go. Is it that in the same folder? Yes. So let's create a loop. PCG graph. PC. Roof story of. Let's go with. Whoops. What is this? What is PCG? Graph. What is this? It's new. Let's open it before saving, so I lose it. Um, So I remember that. Oh, yes, the PCG command tends to do this effery, effury, effery. Try to be not say bad words. And the one way that can be solved, it won't save your comments box sometimes. And I've read online some people saying to close this, and sometimes it works by closing it. But I found that it doesn't always work, and sometimes I think that force regen, close, force regen, close, force regen, close, save everything, Control Shift S. Um, I would go and then close, reopen the project. Let's see. The screen is so huge that I can almost would be comfortable if it was slightly bigger, like 2 or 3 inch bigger. Comfortable with that, but it's a bit gone crunchy. I don't know how to say that. It still too much stuck into small compartment. Um, let's open back this one. Put it at first. Open back this one. See if the command, as you see, it worked. It saved correctly. So force in, close everything. Sometimes it does not work, but often it works, and it save everything. Control S, Control Shift S. Once everything is closed, and I think that will do. So if you remember, well, we might need. Sometimes we don't need it. That's. I'm still not sure. So this is not the same kind of loop as this. Maybe we don't need the partition. Let's bring some in. Save. So what's cool about my approach is that I go with you and I build with you. So you see how it is, how uh, it is done. Because when you look at a tutorial on YouTube, you see the final result. You don't see them trying to find. You don't see them struggling, and I think it's more important to see their process, like I do with you right now. I think it's more important to see that. That way, you see how it is normal to program. How is it normal to program normally? People, when they don't know coding, uh, yes, yes, that's what I mean. Like there is a series of meme about that. I probably have shown you. Let's see if I can find this tutorial. Oh, this is one of them. People need to see this when they learn programming the first time. Some end guy on YouTube doing a programming tutorial, a guy with 7 years of experience, and a beginner. That's some kind of weird stuff going on in programming. It's a bit. The thing is, like it's not just that. Like the thing is that in computer graphic, it's less prevalent than in programming. Like in computer graphic, the 7 years experience guy is jumping out, is doing jump. How do we see? He's like jumping out of a plane over Paris compared to a beginner. Like in programming, that's different. It's a bit different. Sometimes you will find this in computer graphic, but it's more prevalent in programming. Like a guy with 7 years of experience will sometimes has to check. Not maybe often will have to check on internet. Like you won't. There's so much to know about programming, and it's always updating. That a guy of 7 years of experience will often do the same thing as a beginner. But in computer graphic, that's a bit different. Sometimes yes, but not as often. Let's see if I can find another one who's another meme that can express this even further. Like there are no documentation for computer graphic that will reach the same as coding documentation. Like there are many things in computer graphic when, especially in concept art, they have documentation, but like they have documentation like how to open a file, how to save, or how to export in FBX, but they don't have a documentation that will tell how do you do concept art that looks good? It's so it's something that's so personal. It's a skill that is developed personally compared to coding. That coding you need to fit in more. Not not that concept art also you need to fit in, but how you do the concept art is up to you. But coding you need to to avoid code smell. You need to do a lot of things that is like formatable and it can apply to many other things. Can we find a bell curve maybe? Bell curve mean. Yeah, maybe cannot find more than that, but I'm pretty sure I have a ton of meme like that on my Facebook. But I have no time to search right now. Oh yeah, there was a guy, a YouTuber who said the same thing, but more in his he's called Mark. I don't know if I can find him. Let's see. I know I've shared it on Discord somewhere a long time ago. And then I will pass the next thing. Incomplete. That's a good thing. Good game. Ring complete. Can I find it, please? Yes, film. It's been a long time since I've shared it, and I would like to see it again. I guess I cannot find it because I've. Oh yes, I found it. It will explain a bit the same thing, but in a different way. Word of thank you. No thank. Yeah, no tutorial, of course. Damn it, he's a bit. Maybe he sees the world in 10 FPS, Mr. GPT. Okay, so what I meant by this also is people watch a tutorial and compare to me doing the thing. Um, it's that you see that I don't. When I follow a tutorial, I pick and choose some part of the tutorial. I don't do the tutorial itself. Sometimes I will do when it's useful, but the tutorial that you will find useful when you code is the one that are short and right to the point, like how to do X thing, not like how to do a game. The long tutorial are the worst. And also, when I started trying to learn coding, it was 25 years ago, at least. And I was reading books about C sharp and taking notes while reading this book, and that's the wrong approach because I was no, not so much. It was really bad experience. It was really a wrong approach, and I was trying to learn everything about C sharp. So I read the book, and at everything that I saw as a new thing to learn, I wrote it down, and I noted everything as if I was watching a course or I was following a course. But that's the wrong approach. You don't need to know everything. You need to know the basis, like the variable, the syntax, how to make a function, how to make a condition, if statement, and that's because when you try to learn everything, you cannot learn everything. You need to start, and this is called this approach is called it's called active learning. You have passive learning when you go to a class and you listen to the teacher. Some class don't even do uh, active learning. You just listen to a teacher, usually like history class and stuff like that. That's the worst way, one of the worst way to learn. You need to apply right away, like as fast as possible. And in programming, that's really the case. And that's what I'm showing. Like I'm doing it right now. I'm doing it And the tutorial guys, the thing is, they don't show you how they how they get to the result they are showing you. They're showing you the result, but not the how to get to this result. That's why I think it might not be always good to follow the tutorial. As I say often, when you follow someone and you don't take note of the route, the way, the route, you will more likely forget this how to get there. And I found this, I experienced this often in World of Warcraft, because you can click someone and auto follow someone and then leave the game while you are following someone, and that way you will never learn the route. You will never learn how to get to the place this person is getting you. So you will always lack this. That's the same with tutorial. You follow someone, you don't memorize, you don't experience failure. That's what you get when you do active learning. You experience failure right away. So let's do this, okay? Let's do this. So what you do now? I need to see what's coming in this loop. Then 3-9. That's soon. It's like 1/3. 1/3 of almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Is there more partying? Lamau. More Pingu stuff. Pingu stuff. Note. Sam Blader left. Did I crash Sammy with my Note? Okay. So let's see what's coming out there. Oh, he's there. He's still there. My caster lab said you left, but you're still there. There's someone else. How do you... Oh, okay, but it's only in the caster lab stuff there. There's oh, okay. And I don't remember. I can see the people. How do I check the people online? I see 3 people. I always forget where to check that. Creator dashboard. Channel. Community. I remember I've seen the people online, but I don't. Like, I can see there are 4 people, but I remember seeing a place where I could see the name. The names. Viewer. Okay, there it is. Oh, Macmatic is still here. Let's ban Sammy. No, just kidding. Let's give a warning to Sammy. Let's whisper. Whisper. Just kidding. Okay. Let's do this. So, why is it not showing anything in the input? Let's put some cat gif then. Note. Pink note. That was my show when I was a kid. Pingu. They were talking in Sims language. I wonder if I can do without getting demonetized. Not jam? Yeah. Is it not jam? Not jam. I had it this one. Where is it? Oh, I found the laughing cat. Okay. I found the laughing cat. Oh, well, I need to find it on 7TV because PTT is, yes. Which one? Either a British cat, 7TV. There. I still have many to go on 7TV. Many to go. Let's pick the other one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Mater. Which one is this one? What is this? Oh, lost connection to Caster Lab. Am I still online? Seems to. Red Panda. Not animated, I don't take it. What is that? Who's responsible for that? Don't show me. Oh, what is little piggy? Little piggy, apple. Is this some kind of milk related? No. Yes, my Caster Lab is like all over the place. Yes. Yes, sir, Apple rip. We won't be able to see them until next episode. Sadly. Okay, let's continue this. I think I need to put this in point and normal. Force regen. Control Shift S. Hey. Okay, no input. Nothing. Nothing. Why? Input. Nothing in. What I am doing wrong? It's the new stuff. It seems. Oh, they put this here. I will put this here rather. The data assets. Debug objects should show up something. Oh yeah, I know now. I know now. I need to open the map. That's why. This landscape. Paste landscape. Sadly, we cannot show the little apple cat. Won't show right now. On the splash. On the overlay. Okay, let's see this. Okay. Still no nothing. Oh. Okay, we get all of them. And it acts as a loop as we stare this loop. And it's all the stories. Okay. What if it disappear? Oh, what. Okay. I want what occurs is if I want to experiment a little bit for the fun, just for the fun. What if I do this? Let's put this normal, and I plug this thing. Nothing. But it's what if I transform form point and this create the make vector attribute in the we make it a vector tree. It says only vector because usually a vector is 3, but it's you can construct it with 2 or 4, and yeah. Option. But before doing that, I need to create a attribute. You don't need to put the full name, you just need the words, letters, and it would be in the Y. Let's try the Y first. Oh, some new stuff now in 5.6. It allows you to enter the thing, so I might not We need the create attribute. Oh, create constant. Another new thing in 5.6. And I don't need it anymore. What? What's wrong with you? Wait, I want to. Let's see. Okay. Okay. It's annoying. Let's put 100. Okay. It's the right one, but it would be minus. You can put them in float. It's more precise in case. So my cat is scratching my door. I will need to go open the door for the cat. My cat needs a little snuggle, so I will be just in the back for a few minutes because she cannot sleep if I don't snuggle. She will keep bothering me if I don't snuggle. lot of content. Yeah, I think I got her down. Aesthetic. I cannot show you, but it's like aesthetic. But now I have a lot of pure in my nose. She rubs her here all over my face. She's ecstatic. Now she will leave me alone. Wonder if ecstatic was the right word for that. Ecstatic. Relating to or by ecstasy, yes. That's a, it's like making like goodbyes with her hand towards me. Like if I'm as if I was like a big milker. Big milker. Okay. So as you can see when I do the offset, yes, she like the my cat is making like the her paws movement. I snuggled her to the max. She's like this right now. She's ecstatic. I gave her the catnip effect. Catnip, catnip effect. Thick milker. Search it for milker. We have some milker emotes. Milker. Is it safe for work? Yes. What is this one? Mr. Ramsey? Oh no, that's too much sus. Too many. This is not safe for work. Okay, too much things that are not safe for work. I will go back. Okay, let's continue. Okay, as you can see here, there's an Apple apps, and the as I said, the algorithm would be the get index -1 +1. Oh yes, we don't need to do create attribute anymore. +1 multiply by the offset. Well, this, and as you can see, each of them as becomes like a smaller roof, and we need to prune the accident, but that's not the offset I want. I want it even more offsetted. I want this even more. Where I take the mesh, I want the deep, half the deepness. I'm thinking about it. Maybe it would be a good idea to have it have it in the blueprint as a building setup. That way I can put a random number in this offset, and then the house will be different. It will have a different offset. That's a good idea. Somewhat good idea. What would be the name? It would be a float. It would be in the setup. Everything in the setup is any variable that I can randomize to give a different kind of house. Proof of set would be 1. The thing is this one, I might need to say precise that is for the roof only. I'm in the school of thought that you want to avoid doing comments and that your code should tell, but sometimes some comments can be very good for your team. Some comment uh, table table type. The cat wants out, so I was wrong about it. I thought that she would stop bothering me, but that was wrong. Yeah. I think I will take a little break, but I will leave. I will leave the stream open just to fill my cup with glasses. I will leave my earbuds here. It does not disconnect from the Bluetooth. Like Yeah. I said some. I said I would take. I would get some glass for my cup, but glass is in French. Glass we say in English. I would take some ice for my glass because in French ice is glass. I would take some ice cube for my glass. But it's not so much a cube, but more like puck, ice puck. Is it Gen Z slang or something? Like Riz or ism? It's a ism. Riz me up, cap. Riz me up, cap. Okay. But I forgot. Okay. The cat wanted food, that's why she wanted out. Came here. She forgot about the food because I was snuggling her. And she remembered about the food because my family member were coming in the house. So she wanted out to get the food from them. But I was the only one to give her food. Okay. Let's do this. So we were doing the variable proof story mesh. What would it be? I will copy an integer, duplicate. That way everything's there. The private, privyat, big word. I will be banning Russian. Um, what would it be? Roof. Offset. Maybe there would be like an offset for each story. That's becoming something else. That's something else. Yeah, maybe I'm wrong on because maybe I'm wrong because I want the tall. I want each of them to end up very close to the bottom one, just like the second roof here, almost there. But this one should be more offsetted, and this one even more. But this is, yeah. So it's there's something. There's something. Could be an array of roof offset for each of the story. and it depends on the roof type. It depends on the roof type. So since it depends on the roof type, I need to do some kind of magic tricks. I need to become the magic programmer. I need an emote for that. Magician. We need some. This is the real looks of programmer. We are magician. Can do whatever we want, isn't it? Yes, this is us. Oops, he's got blasting it. New emoji coming in. Is there other work of art like that? I want animated. Crazy. The animation, just like the cat. Oh, magic. Oh, it's not animated enough for me. Real fast like that. Is there a musician? That's not cool. Maybe this one. It's not animated. What is this rat doing? Oh, it's doing magic. This one is good. Musician. He misread me. Little Final Fantasy guy. Not enough cool. Some magic cat, maybe. Magic cat. Animation. Do they propose some? If I click on the one, do they propose anything more? Similar? Magic gun cat. Magic. Not animated. Pepe magic. This one. Well, I will pick them because I have enough space. We somehow comprehend 10% of it. Code is just magic. Why is TTS not telling me that? Damn it. It's like the brain. Our brain just comprehends 10% of the magic. Dark flame. I want the rat to, even though it's not animated. Five. What? Now that's weird. I don't know what it means, but I will take it. Fireball. That's not cool enough. Wand. Oh, that could be useful. Maybe. Epic cast. Not animated enough. Oh, David Blaine parody. But it's not animated. But I will take it because it's David Blaine parody. A funny video back in my days. Back in my days, it was a funny video. Magic. This looked like Shia LaBeouf. Shia LaBeouf in French. The bœuf is cow, but male cow. Cow. Bœuf. Male cow. Shia LaBeouf. LaBeouf. Is it enough for today? What is this? Maybe. That's enough. Okay, so maybe I need to do some magic. So it will detect the type of roof and set of specific offset. The initial roof could be this one. So I will rename it initial roof offset. And Control Shift S, compile, and here I could put the number I want. Now 100 is not enough. More like 300, I guess. The default one. Eventually I would, all of them I would do at the same time, randomizing stuff. And the thing here, I use a sequencer. This is good in Blueprint when you want to have everything more down instead of going always on the right. Eventually it's going too far away on the right, and you want it to go back to down, so it just does the 0 after it does the 1 after 2. But in there I have loops. I think there's something I can, there are loops like that. I cannot sequence much. I could sequence this maybe another day. So how would it go? So the other roof offset will need to not be in the setup because they need to adhere to what's going on, how they fit in. As you can see, an offset of 100 on this roof is almost good, but only if underneath it is this roof. So the real offset is that minus a little amount. Let's start with this depth first. Because this one also would need to be the same as depth with this, but currently it's only 100. This one, let's do this. So that will be a bit hard. A bit hard on the. I would need to do a similar thing as this. Creating a variable that I can use in an array that I can use in my PCG with the all the height, all the offsets for each story. Okay, it's getting hot. My fan is not plugged in because I needed my laptop to be plugged. I have a empty slot for the plug, but it's too far in behind my my furniture. Too far behind. Um, so my Unreal is installed on my laptop. Let's just have a little break on my laptop. I think I will leave it there today. I think I will leave it there. Is Sam still here with? Is Sam still? Oh, it seems that Sam and Matic are still there. Oh, okay. You find it too soon for you. Damn. Okay, I might wait a bit then. The installed version of Intel graphic driver, as known as issue D3D12, please install the recommended driver version. Switch to a different rendering API. Would you like to visit the following download driver? Download center. Okay, yes, I want to visit. Which product did it need for processor graphic? Which one is it? List of driver Intel graphic. Am I not supposed to be able to update my graphic on my Asus software? My Asus device. Some state check for update. Everything fine. Then diagnostic. So the name is Asus book graphic. Okay, let's the ex the ag to find my GP. That would be faster. Display chip to HD graphic. Intel UH. Is it Windows 11? Yes. Okay. It says I can use the Windows update and I use it. Okay, there are still updates to go. Think. I think. No, no more updates, so it's not. It's really UHD graphic. Okay.
Optimize the game hardware is essential to the latest graphics. We will show you how to update ASUS graphics card drivers. You can always download latest drivers on ASUS Download Center. Your graphics card model, ASUS Pro website.
And there are no how to know which one is my name. For 17 10th generation. Okay, it's the 10th generation, so I was close to it. Where is it? Control Shift A. Automatically. Okay, there we. Where's the 10th generation? There we. Okay. It's installing. Let's do that. So I need to make this kind of which will not be randomized. Proof measures per story, which is there. It would be an area float. Duplicate proof. Proof of that story or story of would be an array. Right click, transform it in an array. File. So I need the length here for the number of roof and do the same as but for this one. So I resize this one to the same size, same number of. Maybe I don't need the last one, but I will do it anyway right now. I will keep it because the last one is a floor and it's when I want to cut the roof. So when it does not, you will see. So I need to resize. So when like let's say it picks by randomness by hazard, it randomly pick two roof and it's that large. I want the PCG to fill the hole that would be here, the square, but with this store. So this story, the last story will, but it's not the last story, it's the non-story. It will fill with the floor mesh. Welcome round rodent. Let's welcome round rodent with a little rodent. So if you let's make round rodent felt welcome. Feel welcome. Do we have a rodent in the emotes? I think yes. Yes, the rodent who does magic, but we won't see it. That won't be the magic rodent. We have this dancing rodent. Yes. We don't see it well on screen, but oh yes, we see it. Okay. Oh, he left. He didn't like the dancing rodent. Damn it. Damn it. Damn. The spaghetti? Mom, spaghetti? We need some spaghetti emotes then. Ag. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, it seems to work. In theory, not in practice. It seems to work in theory. Oh. Oh, okay, you meant spaghetti as petty. You said spaghetti as spaghetti code. Just like this emote. Oh, can we have this? Really? Round Rodent came back. It seems. Let's see. Yes, Mechmatic. It says that Mechmatic is still here. Round Rodent came back. Thank you, Round Rodent. We are searching for some spaghetti stuff. This one is the best one. When the spaghetti code is not working, the compiler does not act. Was some good spaghetti stuff. Oh, this one. So we have, oh yes, Rastafari, our Lord and Savior. Rastafari. Spaghetti. Fine. When your brain itself is a spaghetti code. Oh, Round Rodent left already. Despair. Troll despair. To find you new despair emote. Yeah, none of them. Why is it pink? No worry. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, let's continue the work. So I need this length, and the length goes in there, and this goes add in a sequence in there. Okay, I can put underneath, not like this one. Put it back. And there's some missing. So when you work in a team, you want to add comments, even though it's different in Blueprint. Because in Blueprint, you have it's better to make comments like that. As I said, I'm in the school of thought that you should avoid putting comments. But in Blueprint, it's an exception because you want to look at your code from far away and say, oh, there it is. Like you want to see the names and be able to zoom in the section you need to work on right away. So the exception in Blueprint for the comment. In code that sometime in Unity, you can add uh, a snippet of comment on top of your function, and when you overlay your mouse, you will see it. I want to do it just so fun on the side because it's very cool to do this when you are in a team. Oh, I remove it. I remove Unity. Or not. Yeah, it's an XML comment. When you do a comment on top of your function like this in Unity, it or like this on a variable, it will appear in the tooltip. Like in a function, when you will call this function elsewhere, you will and overlay over it in Visual Studio, it will show this. So when you are in team, that's really cool. It's the kind of comment that's it's a kind of comment. Cool. Yes, sir, Miller. Yes, sir. So now, where are we? Is it like 1/4 of the job done? 1/4? Okay. There we go. We're getting there. So now that's set up. I need it. And what do you mean? Oh, okay. Oh, scope creep. Oh, yeah, okay. Building mesh, floor mesh, get for each of this array. Mesh roof type, which we have the roof type. I need to do the same. Yes, I need to do this too. I would say it's almost good to split this off. Like that, it doesn't change much. Bring it down. For each of them, and I would do the same as this. Pick the roof type and decide what offset depending on the roof type. And if it's the first, also the first as this one. So array index would need to be separated. So I will need to branch this. What am I doing wrong here? I'm too used to be in PCG now. Okay, that's fine. If condition is array index equals 0, well, 0. If it's true, do this. It's false, do this. And okay, if it's true, offset would be this. So I don't like that this goes underneath, so I will bring it there. No, never do. No, never pass the wire underneath the nodes. It's complicating to read. Let's make it harder to read. And if it's true, no need of this, so it would be setting just like here. This set array element. Index 0. Set array. The array target is this. No, it's the offset one. Target index 0 item this, and there we go. There it is. And for the rest, they have a different, and it would be the depth of the mesh in question. So how to get the depth of the mesh in question? Floor mesh. There they are. There they are. Get. So let's put out an array, and the array I get why is it 0? Oh yes. So this is the data asset, a PDA, landscape, modular building. No, it's not. It's the DA for regular building, and the 0 it's the because. If I look at what's my the 0 here is because when I go small roof, there is only 0 here. There's only one mesh. If I was in wall, it was a wall, regular wall, I would have different indexes. So I need all of this. So target. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. What is I need to get the depth of this. Do I have it somewhere? Here I saved the sizes of things. Have it there. Oh, set roof. Yeah. So it would be a roof thickness. But this is the roof thickness. Yes, sir, Miller. Yes, sir, Miller. You got this. I was right about believing in you. You've got this. You've what? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Okay. Spino. That's the name of the emoji. Pino. Okay. We have the corners, so they don't have all I didn't put all of the group inner corner. Group outer corner, of course I didn't put all the sizes, which I should. Which I should now. What did I use then if I didn't? What did I use in the PCG? Let's see. Here. Oh, I calculated them from the mesh itself. With the get mesh size here. I'm a stupid. The thing is, it might be slower for the PCG to this inside the PCG, and it makes it faster here in the blueprint because it's a construction script, and the PCG would run thousand of time, so better to have it run one time in the blueprint, maybe. So that's a good thing if I translate this. If I change this get mesh sizes. The thing is, it's it's easier that way to code, but it's heavier on the PCG to get to do this every time. So I think I would do like a task for myself for later to replace the get mesh size. Let's do this. Hello. To do replace get mesh size, and then so I remember what it is. Screenshot. Because when you do tasks like this and you don't explain what it is and you came back to it 3 months later, you have no idea what you were talking about. You cannot go back and ask yourself. And Sam Blader left because of that. Sam Blader didn't like it. He approved what I was saying. I have a whisper. Oh, Sam whispered back with the big eyes when I whispered. It's in there. It's this. Maybe I'm wrong. When I will do it, maybe I would say, oh, I shouldn't do this. But for now, I don't know yet. I will see later. Alligator. this in the description with the values. Initialize from sizes. Keep it. Having calculated in a instead of the group might be PCG. That could be an optimization if the PCG winds up being too slow when I extend to a big city later. I will see. We will see. Okay. So is it time to go now that Blader left? Mr. Bleedy. Mechmatic is still here. Mechmatic. Yes, I think it would be time to go. And time to punch out Sammy Boo. So we will continue this another day. Thank you for watching. See you. Let's run the outro.